Meteorologist Nicole Hartford shows us more about how hail develops.
Weather in North Georgia changes quickly, and when storms develop, you could see hail. Hail often forms when it's warm outside, not cold. It all has to do with temperatures higher up in the atmosphere. When thunderstorms develop, air rises, creating upward winds called updrafts. These updrafts carry particles of water up into the atmosphere where temperatures in the upper levels of the clouds are below freezing. The water particles freeze into little pellets of ice that we call hail. As the hailstones bounce around in the cloud, they fall below the freezing line, accumulate a layer of water, or bump into other hailstones, then rise back above the freezing line, freeze, and get bigger. This process continues until the hail is too heavy to be held up by the updrafts and they fall to the ground. Stronger updrafts mean bigger hail. In order for hail to be considered severe, it must be 1 inch or larger. That's about quarter-sized. And if you see that, let us know by joining our Facebook group. Just search 11 Alive Weather Impact Team.